It's a river. You know? Which one? Oh, Peppa Pig book and one more Peppa Pig book. And Mama needs her tea. Hi guys and welcome here. So in today's video I'm sharing with you all Nirvi's homeschooling daily routine with you. As you guys were asking about these kind of videos for so long, like what kind of routine she is having, so this is what it is all about. She is 3.9-year-old and yeah, we are homeschooling her since she was 2. We do have this routine like 4 to 5 days in a week, and like 2 to 3 days generally it's kind of a chill and do whatever you want to do kind of days. She generally plays and do a lot of craft when she's not homeschooling, so that also I take it as a homeschooling because at the end she's learning, she's doing something or the other, but anyways, this is what it is. Hey guys, so Nirvi actually gets up around 7:30, and as soon as she gets up, she gets her first glass of milk of the day, and then we kind of move towards book reading. She get to choose her favorite books, whichever she wants to read, like 5 to 10 books sometimes, and if not that, then she get to watch any of her favorite show as well. And when she's done watching her 15 minutes or 20-minute show, then we move towards our home chores. So we make bed every day, like her bed and our bed together. So yeah, that's what she get to do with us. अभी ये वाला साइड पकड़ो, उस साइड की थोड़ा अपने तरफ खींचो. And then we move towards her first breakfast, which we keep it very simple. So she get to have a smoothie. It can be banana smoothie, green smoothie with the spinach, or any other smoothie, but she literally is into green smoothie or banana smoothie, the white one. And these days I'm seeing like she's just having banana smoothie, which is completely fine. So in banana smoothie we just use milk, water, and one banana, and yeah, she can drink whole 1 glass of actually smoothie. Okay, yes, it's working. Yeah, press.
It's milk?
It is. Which straw do you want, green or red?
I think it's
Which one? Take only one, please.
green.
Okay, give it back. And when she's done with that, then we move towards our active session, which is our fitness workout session. So in exercise, she actually does little bit of meditation, which is just Om Ucharan for 1 to 2 minutes with me. And then we do yoga, and if not yoga, then we do whatever exercise we are feeling for, sometimes 7-8 minutes, 10 minutes workout, and it can vary from like 10 minutes to 30 minutes of workout session for both of us. So she has been seeing us since birth, like exercising, so she's kind of used to it. Earlier she used to just play around us and hang on us when we used to do exercise, but now she has got it, like she's completely into it. Break, break, break.
No! Don't sing.
Okay, sorry. When we are done with that, we move towards the heavy breakfast. If she is feeling for it, she gets it. If she is not, then I do not force her for the heavy breakfast. It completely depends on her. So this actually breakfast is for me and Nimish. So yeah, today she was interested, but not too much. So she got few bites. That's okay. And then we move towards after, breakfast, we move towards homeschooling.
September.
September. And day कौन सा है बेटा? homeschooling. So our homeschooling actually starts with calendar. So we have got this calendar from Staples. It is the good quality one, and it has big blocks, so we can actually write what date it is, how is the weather, and to teach her from the practical calendar instead of making different colorful one. You know what, we do not need different charts like the day charts or months charts and everything. It is just in one calendar. So I really think it is gonna be really helpful, and she really enjoys it. Those are all sun rays. Okay. पहले हम ऐसे सर्कल बनाते हैं, ठीक है, हम स्माइली सन बनाते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसा वाला, और फिर हाँ ये सनराइज बनाओ, हाँ सनराइज बनाओ, वेरी गुड. In homeschooling we just do simple things. So she get to do 2 to 3 worksheet, 1 of tracing and 1 to 2 of logical worksheets. So it can be of either Hindi or English or math, any of these subjects. And rest of the day we just go with the GK thing or logical activities or craft and other things. All the worksheets that you are seeing over here have been made by me. So these are the English workbooks, math workbook, and I'll link them down all below for you guys as well. Let's just Good job. Okay, now let's do the aquatic animal, okay? When you're watching this video, already 500 plus people have bought the workbooks from me. So make sure to check out the link in the description box, because you can definitely get a lot of help from these workbook, because it has a complete solution for 2 to 5 year old kids. You will not need any other material apart from that if you're teaching your kids logical activity and tracing and writing, because trust me, they do not need a lot of fancy thing. They just need simple and effective writing practices and tracing practices and learning things. They are all age appropriate. Very good. उसके नीचे big circle बनाओ, नीचे नीचे down, यहाँ पे बेटा. Good job. What is this? Okay, when we are done with that, we actually now she is really habitual of writing. So actually I start either preparing lunch or I just sit down with her and she kind of does her practice of writing and all. Then we move towards our actually lunch. But today was a different day. Beautiful sunny day over here. Oh yeah, they are making house. Those are construction engineers, you know? Yes, those are construction engineers.
Can I eat it in lunch box?
Do you want to eat some apples?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
What?
Are you having a picnic? Oh. Okay. Okay. Are you having the best day ever?
I'm having picnic.
Oh, you're having it? That's so cute. Generally after homeschooling we don't go outside, because then I'm preparing lunch. She's tired, so we just kind of do our home chores and all. But today we thought we should go out because it is beautiful sunny day and now the terrace is open, so why not to take the advantage. So we are over here. She's having apple right now, so I hope that you are enjoying and you will be enjoying the rest of the video as well. Do you want to see?
Okay, spider web.
Guys, we have so many spider webs and spiders over here on the terrace because I think these guys did not clean it, and they are big ones. So okay, my camera is not doing justice. I don't know if I can tell you. Nirvi is afraid of these. Nirvi, be here. Okay. Okay, and then there is one more. Yes. Oh. Oh, okay, I can show you one over here. Okay, let's go back this side, okay? And then there is one more up there, okay? And then we have 3 4 over. And this one is like really beautiful big one. Generally after her homeschooling I put her into bathtub for bath, but today as we were busy in enjoying terrace life, so she did not get the chance to take bath in the afternoon, so she was tired. She went to bed, I mean for nap, for she naps from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. or sometimes even 4:30, which is kind of okay, because if she gets up even late, we can take her out and bring her energy, I mean down, and burn her energy so that she can sleep better in the night. And she took her nap. When she got up, I had planned to clean the balcony because it was sunny day and I wanted to take advantage of that to clean the balcony. I'm really happy to share that I have partnered with Eco Gloves for this video, and they come in different sizes. Like as you can see, I have got a medium and a small. They are completely latex free and eco-friendly and made with 100% plant-based. When you see the gloves, like plastic gloves here on the earth for decades and decades and hundreds and 500s of years, these actually gloves are biodegradable and they go out in the nature in just 3 months. Can you imagine how cool is that? And they are perfect for everything you will ask for, like beauty and hair, diaper changing, pumping gas, going out for grocery in this weird time. You need gloves, right? So cleaning, cooking, everything you can do with these gloves. So make sure to check them out. They are amazing. I'm using this brand from last 6 months, guys, so I can guarantee you that they are good. So make sure to check them out. I'm going to put all the links and the information about them in the description box, and make sure to check them out. So we have to clean all these, okay? And we put all the dead plants over here in this poly bag, okay?
Can I open?
Yes, you will fit in which one? Let me see. A small. As you guys can see, the sunflowers are dead. I tried to, take out the seeds, but the seeds are not like even the seeds. So we are just gonna clean up this, and Nirvi is gonna help me. We are going to clean all the dead plants and just gonna clean up a little bit. You know what I mean? So let's start. And I'm using my Eco Gloves. They are super handy. Decided to go and water this tomato plant. Good job. Tomato mein niche dal. No, they don't want to take bath. You can just put some water over there. Yeah, good. And also bring some more water for lettuce, okay? Papa ko bolna aur de do, Papa, please. ठीक है? After cleaning balcony, I totally can say that she was dirty because and we were talking about plants and roots and all that stuff, so she was muddy. And so she quickly took her bath, and we were then ready to head out for bike riding and swinging.
I-N-V-I, Nirvi.
Oh yeah, it's N-I-R-V-I. Nirvi, how old are you?
3 years old.
Yes, you are 3 years old. Oh yeah, we write 3 like this. Nirvi is riding bicycle. Hey, ride. Come on. Do you need help? Which way do you want to go?
Swing.
Okay.
Oh, steep.
Okay. Go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like them.
Actually, swing has tons of benefits. So I read this article in one of the book which I'm currently reading, so I'll read it for you. And it leads to language development, and author says encourage language and literacy engagement with children while they are in the swing to capitalize on their brain stimulation. Children can swing while being read to, drawing, or looking at the picture books. So the swing also promotes gross motor development and novelty by bringing the outdoors in. So I'm reading this book and I just wanted to quickly share with you so that you can get some benefits out of it. So yeah, after that she was definitely hungry. She had her banana as a snack outside. Generally she get to have some either any fruit or like any snack like Parle-G biscuit or something. After that she was again hungry when we came home, so she was having her dinner. She get to listen to any of her favorite show or sometimes even to watch any of her favorite, which is I don't mind much because she gets to watch only twice or thrice a day, only for 15-20 minutes every single day. So she was listening and having her dinner. After dinner we just play some relaxing games. For example, either we go through cards or she plays with her different toys or something like that, and then we actually read some books to just calm her brain down. And after doing that, we also do the reading practice around this time. And after doing that, actually we talk about, we have recently started this, so we talk about what kind of day we are going to have next day. I mean, we plan our day verbally, and actually this really helps. So if your child is 3 plus, I would highly recommend you to do this, so that mindset is already, I mean, their mind is already set for the next day and they do not show any tantrums and they are ready to do what you had talked about. So yeah, that's what we do. हम दूध पिएंगे, ओके, फिर ब्रश करेंगे, फिर हाँ
ब्रश करेंगे,
हाँ
फिर
and just I say goodnight to her. Sometimes I sing one of her favorite song or something, not too much, and she kind of have started sleeping on the cozy bed. I don't know why. I think she is going through any transition. She wants to sleep on the floor but not on the crib, so that's completely fine and it is a safe place. If you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to lifestyle, parenting and homeschooling. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. I would love to have you as a subscriber and a viewer over here. Make sure to also check me out on my Instagram handle. I post a lot of craft ideas, homeschooling ideas, behind the scenes, relaxing art behind the scene and family stuff as well. So make sure to check me out over there, and I have so many highlights in which I have shared DIY worksheet ideas and play and craft ideas, so that is going to be super helpful as well. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a like and also share it with your friends and family, those who have toddlers at their home, so they can also get some ideas or references. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.